Hey there everyone, just wanted to do a quick review on this BOA Grip universal bike and motorcycle phone holder. What I really like about this one, is that it's very simplistic in its design. So here you have a tightener to tighten if it moves or not, up and down, so it depends on what view you want from your phone. Okay, here, this is rubberized in here, and that is where it holds onto the bar itself. And this simply is adjustable, so it can go up and down, and then you adjust the screw to tighten it onto the handlebar. So this part holds your phone, and you can see it stretches. So it stretches out and wide, and this way it takes different types of phones. So it simply is just put on the outside here. It's like a spider web. And then the same thing here, it just stretches like a spider web again, and just holds on to the entire thing. Stretches. So there you go. So it's very minimal, and it just holds the phone nicely. So now you can see the entire screen, nothing is taken up. This is solid, this holds on 4 different pieces, and it can all be tightened. And I like the rubber, and I like the way it's simple in its design, and it's not very obstructive, so it's a good size for the handlebars. Highly recommend it, it's worked very well for me.